trout. Try to remember, you want to wet your hands. Cool. Yeah, I'll lift her. These two big guys here.
Oh, huge perch, man. Oh.
Hopefully it didn't swallow it.
Oh, nice one. There you go.
That's a good one there. Yeah. Man. I just want to show you guys this here. Probably one of my favorite parts about coming up north. These are elk prints, and they're pretty fresh. I wouldn't doubt if there was some elk that would be right up the road here. And look at that. That's probably a bull right there. Awesome. I already got a fish checking me out. There we go. There's a fish already, guys. Feels like a good fish too. I'm using a Widowmaker tungsten jig with a Baitz 2-inch Hornet, jigging for trout in about 20 feet of water. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. That's a brown. What a gorgeous brown. Wow. Didn't expect one that quick, that's for sure. Hang on, buddy. I don't want to hurt you. I'm just out to get pictures today. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful brown Hornet. Baitz Hornet and a Widowmaker. Widowmaker tungsten. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. That was within minutes, folks. I'm so pumped now. Let's see if we can do that again. I want to show you guys. This is what I'm using. It's just a Widowmaker tungsten jig head tipped with a white 2-inch Baitz Hornet, and I mean, that was instant, guys. I got a feeling I'm gonna get into some really nice fish today. I'm catch and release for the most part. I'd like to get a trophy for the wall, but if I can't after a while, I might keep one for dinner, but we'll see. But all I'm doing, I'm dropping it down to the bottom, and then I'm just lightly jigging it. I am just jigging, bouncing that jig lightly up off the bottom. That's going to make that Hornet move around a lot down there. It's going to look like a live nymph. And really, that's what I'm trying to imitate right now, because the mayfly hatch is going on. So I really want to look like a wiggler down there. And for any of you that's ever seen a wiggler, they look a lot like these 2-inch Hornets. Baitz is definitely on the money with that. missed one. Yep, got him that time. Came back for it. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh, I wish I had my other camera. That's another brown, and it is a jumper, man. Come here, buddy. You are pretty. You are pretty. You got big spots. Get my hands wet here. You don't want to touch them with dry hands. Look at this. Look at that, folks. That's a jumper. He's actually blind in one eye. I'm guessing somebody's caught him before and injured him. But beautiful, beautiful fish. Hey, brookie or brown number 2. I'll take it. Oh crap! Got one. Oh, I lost it. Shoot! I think I'm figuring them out. I think I'm gonna have to fish them like I do bass. Oh. Didn't even see him till he already had it, and I don't know how I'm missing him so much, but I am. There's some really big. Oh my god, that thing just hit the water. This fish can see me clearly. That was nuts. That was more like a pike. Here it comes again. That is a ferocious brookie right there. Oh my god, there's more than one. Just gotta get him to take it. That is a pretty fish. Oh my gosh, they're so fast. Unbelievable. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is truly amazing right there. Oh my gosh, right next to the boat. Got it. Fine. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm gonna try a natural color, see if they smoke that a little harder. I'm just trying to, I mean, they're hitting everything, but I gotta find something that they're gonna actually just take without any hesitation. Oh. I went to reel up and one grabbed it. These things are crazy. Oh, that's a fish. that's a nice fish too. Oh my gosh. I had to hand line that in because I was trying to get a loop out of my line. That is a hefty fish right there, folks. Look at that. Look at that brookie. That is a beautiful, gorgeous fish. God, that's just nuts being able to sight fish brook trout. That is like unheard of. God. This guy's smaller, but still, look at that. That's on that Widowmaker. Calm down, buddy. Widowmaker tungsten jig. And a bubblegum Hornet seems to be the trick. That's what they're smoking. I'm going to keep doing what I'm doing. The last two fish, even though the one had to be hand lined, I'm just dropping this Fire Tiger color tungsten Widowmaker jig down. I think it's the 1/32 ounce, and Freedom Baitz bubblegum Hornet, but I'm just dropping it down to the bottom almost. I'm sight fishing. It's clear as a bell. I'm dropping down in like 12 feet of water, and I'm watching it, and these fish, I can see them come running from ways away, and then I'm just getting them when they get the hook in their mouth. There we go. Oh man. Dang it. There we go. Hit it on the way down. Calm down, buddy. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, another one. Oh, I guess I got a hole in my... Well, that ain't good. There's a hole in the net. Gonna need a new trout net, I guess. I can see them down there. I mean, that's like 20 feet deep, but I can see the bait, and I can see the trout going for it. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, he come back. Got it. Oh, just a little one. That ain't the one I seen. Now the wind's blowing me off the spot, but I kind of remember where this is at. That was down deep, but it feels like a small one. Yep, lost it. It's alright, it should show up on the camera. Oh, there we go. I'm doing bad today with keeping them on. Coming over like, what you doing, dude? size one either. Looks so dang cool in that clear water though. He's gonna come right up to me. Hi, little turtle. Look at this thing. It's got to be the friendliest snapper I've ever seen. Or the hungriest. Maybe he wants to eat the kayak. I don't know. He just went underneath of me. What a goofy turtle. Oh, there he is. Look at him come up there through that log. That looks so cool. He went down deep. Probably got himself a trout. Well, the camera that I had on my hat just died, so sadly I ain't gonna be able to get any more footage of that. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. Pretty one. Wow. Look at the colors on this one, guys. Definitely the prettiest one I've caught today. Gorgeous. That's a good one. Beautiful. There we go. Let it. Sorry about that, buddy. Oh, come up fast like a rocket. That's beautiful. Look at that. Nice fish. Probably a 12. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. It's always fun to come out and check out these lakes that are in the middle of nowhere. I mean, it's a long drive, but it's always fun. It's always enjoyable. Peaceful for the most part, other than the wind. It's been windy every day. I swear I haven't had a break. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think. Big shout out to my monthly patrons. Thank you guys so much for signing up to Patreon. Sign up today, guys. You can sign up for as low as $1 a month, and it helps out a whole lot. This season at LT Outdoors has been brought to you by Freedom Baitz. Go to freedombaits.com and use discount code LT Outdoors. Gets you 10% off. Also, Widowmaker Lures. My favorite lures are on this website. Go to widowmakerlures.com, use discount code LT Outdoors, gets 10% off. Stone Tackle. Make sure you go to stonetackle.com and check out the awesome jig boxes. They've got boxes that'll hold all of your jigs in one box. And use discount code LT Outdoors, gets you 15% off. And Hizia.com. Check out Hizia for a great line of outdoor footwear. Use discount code LT15, gets you 15% off. And if you're looking to get LT Outdoor lures, you can visit these wonderful locations. Wolverine!